try to understand how to live on this earth. Let us open the chapter of Bible, Genesis. In the Genesis, which is called spiritual master, Moses or Jesus Christ or anyone like that. When he is going to explain what is the Genesis, how this universe is evolved. God said there should be light, then there is a light. Then God said, very good. In the same way, in 7 days, this whole universe is created. Each and every creation, he said, very good. He never said any creation is bad. Try to get lesson from that. Everything came out from God. Whatever you are, whatever I am, whatever anyone. What should be the lifestyle on this earth? Suppose that someone is having bad relation with someone, trying to hit, trying to scold, try to prevent it. Injury should not happen. But why it happens, never say bad or good. Try to find out the cause. The cause of that incident in which fight is there, attachment, aversion is there, anger and lust is associated, greed is associated, fear and pride is associated, ego is working. Try to find out the root cause. Then what is the root cause? Ignorance. What is the ignorance? Something which does not exist, we believe in that. That is the ignorance. Why it happens? Because this is the nature of God. God starts dreaming and dream is a dream, but we realize dream is true. This is called ignorance. As we dream in the night, morning when we are awake, we start talking about dream. I saw this dream in the night. Many persons, they try to find out what is the cause of that dream. Oh, I say, oh, that person died. Then somebody will say, this is good cause. If you are saying death of anyone, it means that person's life will increase. They said and we accepted it. In the same way, we are trying to interpret a dream as a reality. This is called ignorance. Dream is a dream. Appreciate dream on the platform of dream. This is a very important point we should understand. Then on this earth, you will not have any problem. When you will not create problem to anyone, problem will not be created to you. If somebody is going to create problem to you, automatically there is cosmic law. That person will be in such a position that cannot create problem. Or if so much adamant to create problem, then the cosmic intelligence will do its work, how to stop it. This is very important. We have to live this principle. In order to know cause of the problem, you have to go in the causal body. Where is the causal body? This physical body is associated with astral, astral with the causal. Then when you are in the causal body, then what kind of causal body we experience? There are 2 dimensions of causal knowledge. One is devil type, one is angelic type. Therefore, power of protection, power of preservation is the highest thought of causal body. In the causal body, there is a satanic force of causal body, and there is a Christ principle of causal body. Then it is our duty, if you want to learn how to live in this world, then we have to select this kind of thought, how to protect everybody. If somebody is, I think, is bad, don't think anybody is bad or good. Our aim is to protect both. Find out the cause. Cause is the ignorance. Try to learn how to get rid of ignorance. This should be our lifestyle, then we will not have any problem in this world.